Guys, it's your boy Sammy, and today we're gonna be playing a game in games. Games. I'll show you what the hell games. Games is this. We can play this game. We can play this game. Okay, no, I'm just done with it. So the games that are in this is Snake, Pac-Man, Cricket, Minesweeper, and Solid. Now, guys, I've actually played the Pac-Man one in my other channel when I was like, I don't know, maybe 5 years. Yeah, it's been like 3 years since I played that game in my channel. But yeah, guys, tell me if you want me to play Pac-Man in this channel. Then yeah, make sure to tell me. But yeah, we're going to today playing. Can you guys guess it? We're gonna be playing Whirly Bird, not Minesweeper. Oops. Yeah, we're gonna be playing Whirly Bird. Now, basically, this game we gonna jump. So yeah, this is almost like a jumping game, like one of those games. You guys seen those games like Pooh? There's a game, we have to jump. It's just like that. I'll explain everything. So that thing gives me bounce. Okay, come on, take that. Yay! We get the Mario kind of cap. More like a baby cap. Now these things are kind of harmful. Oh no, there's a ghost block. And a cloud. Clouds are my healers. Okay, come on, I need that. Yes! Okay. Making some good progress. I need to at least beat my high score. Oh no, I'm done. Oh, how in the world am I staying alive? Why did you go on away? What the hell? Okay, let's try this again, guys. I hope I can do this time. Wait, get that. And now, get the trampoline. I don't know if that's right. No, I was to get the trampoline, man. What the hell? Okay. Get the cap. It looks like BB's cap for some reason. Balloon Boy's cap. Okay, go there. Do not touch those sun thingies. They can sometimes kill you. So yeah, get the cabin. The cabin is actually more greater than the trampoline one. That increases are more high than the trampoline. Yeah. Plus it's kind of fun. And my trampolines are also fun, but still. The good thing that thing didn't kill me. Hey, we get the cap. I want to at least beat my high score in this video. Like for real, right? I just flew my bones. Come on. Give me that. And then that. And then that. Let's do this. Yes! That thing is not even killing me. I have no idea how, but I'm happy. Get the trampoline. Get, I guess, another trampoline. And then get another trampoline. Oh wow. And then get another trampoline. And then get another trampoline. Oh my god, guys, I'm getting so freaking much trampolines. Last but not least, oh boys looking cap. Oh yeah, baby. Okay. So let me just jump high in the sky. Boing. Oh no. Can't believe I'm is that my new high score? I don't know. I don't care. Okay. Okay, come on. Give me my new high score, baby. Come on, where's my new high score? I can still not see it. No! Give me the trampoline, man. What the hell? No, you were supposed actual new high score. No way, guys. No. Okay, that was so risky, guys. Oh my god, we just got the new high score. Yeah, boy. I don't even know why I said that. Do I? Okay, these things are still not killing me. I have no idea how. Okay. How are we doing this right now, guys? I have no idea. Oh my god. I've already hit in like a 3,000. I don't even know. I don't even care. Okay. Speaking of 3,000, how about 3,000 subs? That's not gonna happen. Not my channel. Okay, guys, making some progress. This video might be a little short, something like 10 minutes. Yeah, because this game is not really that exciting. But it is. That was so close. I was about to hit the spikes. Come on. Give me the trampoline. Yeah. Okay, give me that. Beat Balloon Boy's looking cap thingy. Okay. Now give me the. Okay, I was about to say give me the trampoline, but it never happened, and I'm okay with that. Okay. How are we doing this? I have no idea. Do you have any idea? I guess you don't. Oh, that was so close. Do not land on the spikes. Bro, guy. I don't even know what the hell is he. Okay. Get the BB looking cap or the Mario. Okay, that looks like the Nimbus cap. Not the Mario. I am somehow doing this, guys. I don't even care how much minutes it's gonna be. Something like 5 minutes from now. I don't even know, guys. No, no. Oh, thank you, weird looking thingies, for not killing me. I know I'm gonna die. Okay. Is this just endless? Yeah, it's definitely endless. Oh, come on, get the cap. Get the cap. Oh yeah, baby. We're doing this fair and square, baby. Okay, get that. And then get that. Then don't get the spikes. And then get that. And then get that. And then get that. Whew! This is closer, man. This game is fun. Okay, get the balloon boy looking thingy. Cap. Okay. Okay, get the trampoline. Oh man, this is going great. I'm loving this. Be out here, boy. Good. Okay. Okay, get the trampoline. Yes. Got the trampoline. Good job, man. Oh my god, I'm already to 6,000. I don't even know if it's a 6,000 or 6K. Yeah, wait, that's this thing. What's wrong with me? Do I need to learn math? Yeah, maybe I have to. Okay, get the cab. No. Okay, get that one. Not the trampoline. Trampoline sucks. Oops. I didn't mean to say that. Sorry, please don't kill me. Oh, it didn't. I am so lucky, guys. I'm so lucky out here. Be lucky out here, boy. Okay. Oh my god. How are we doing this? I have no idea. And I don't even care. We're to 7 freaking thousand. Okay. Get the cap. Okay, good. When are we gonna reach to 8,000? I think if we reach to 10. Oh my god, that would be insane. I don't think anybody can be like that. Okay, get the trampoline, not the sunny thingies. No! I failed, guys! That was such a good run, guys. Oh my god. Oh, how much minutes has it been? 9 minutes. Guys, that was such a great run. Okay, I'm gonna play this game one more time. Yeah. This game is, I don't know, fun. But, yeah, it's kind of fun. Okay. Let's try this again, guys. I guess so. Okay, up we go. Okay, another one. Oh wow, we out here, boy. Okay, get not the sun ones. Sunny thingies. Get the trampoline. See if you beat that high score. That's like impossible. I was thinking I would reach into 10, but that didn't even happen. The train. That would be so hard. If we reached there, I would be so freaking happy. Like, for real. Okay. Making some progress, guys. Not really, because like we're not even halfway there. Literally. Okay, not gonna lie. First I was a noob at this game, now I'm a pro, bro. Okay, got the boom boy hat thingy. Dodge the spikes. This is all the spikes, or I would like still, stand, last stand. Whatever. I don't care. I think I'm okay with that. We get the boom boy thingy. Okay. No, I thought the boom thingy was still there. Great. So guys, I think that's gonna be it for this episode. As I said, this video is something gonna be 10. It actually is 10. I think it's gonna reach 2. But yeah, this is gonna be it for this episode. Tell me if you want to see more of this, and not this, and not this, and this, and this, and not this. Yeah, make sure to tell me that. But that's gonna be it for this episode, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button. And if you haven't already subscribed, make sure to subscribe right now, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.